Hi there guys, Sam here. Welcome to another video where I go through unboxing a GoPro Hero 7 Black and also why I kind of went for this action camera in sort of May 2020. So yeah, I'll get straight into the video. So yes, welcome to another video, not quite the same as my other sort of automotive content that I have on YouTube, but I wanted to go through a new action camera that I basically bought as sort of a present to myself for kind of getting to 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and also, well, about 450,000 views. So it's really, really cool. And I thought I would upgrade my camera. Now, if you weren't aware, I actually use a GoPro Hero 4, and I've had that for probably around 5 years now. I didn't actually intend to get it for YouTube, but I've used it. It's been fine. If you've seen, basically all the content I've had on my channel has all been done off this. I've also got, which I'll show on screen, an external mic to that, because the microphone on the Hero 4 and generally most GoPros is pretty crap. So yeah, that's what I've been using. So it'll be interesting to see what a step up this will be. Now, before I get straight into kind of the unboxing of it, and sort of like into the price and all that kind of stuff as well, I wanted to say that one of the reasons why I kind of went for this one is from the reviews. There's plenty of reviews on this, on the Hero 7 Black out there, and yeah, they're all really, really good. It's also nice to kind of have two cameras as well to kind of use. And the third one, which I'll mention a little bit later, why I didn't actually go for the GoPro Hero 8. So yeah, let's get straight into the unboxing anyway. So yeah, first of all, so I purchased this off GoPro, direct off their website, which I'll show on screen, and I paid £219.99, and that was in May 2020. It took about 3 days. It's free delivery in the UK anyway to get to here from the Netherlands, and it came with a 64 gig SanDisk Extreme micro SD card, which is the exact same one that I have in the GoPro Hero 4. This was just included as part of the bundle, basically. I think they're worth about £10 to £15, so that's chucked in. That's pretty handy, because obviously you need one. It's got decent read and write speeds, can't really complain. So I'll put that aside for one moment. So here we go, the Hero 7 Black. So this is the packaging that it came in. As you can see, I literally have not opened this at all. I'm using my lunch break at work here to go through this. So let's get straight into it. So this model's been out a few years now anyway, and GoPro, if you're not familiar with their kind of packaging, this is how they kind of like to market it. A little bit of a glass, well, a see-through case, you can get to see it a little bit better, and yeah, it's nicely presented, just a little bit of instructions and stuff around it. Yeah, and I've got to work out how to get into this. So yeah, just at the bottom you've got like this little tab by the looks of it to kind of open, so let's go for that. See if I can poorly open this. There we go, pop that over there. And it just slips out like so. Yeah, nothing else really on that, so you keep that to one side, and you can keep it if you want. I guess if you want to send it back or sell it on, yeah, I am probably not going to keep it, but here you go. So there we go, the GoPro Hero 7 looks really cool on sort of first impressions. It comes with like a case already over it. Just kind of comparing it to my Hero 4 now, it looks very similar size, very similar design, and that's one of the important things of why I didn't go for the Hero 8. This Hero Black 7 is kind of the last that GoPro did of this kind of shape and size. You get so many different accessories that's compatible with it. Yeah, and that was kind of why I kind of went for it. And also, yeah, I'll go into some more details towards the end of this video about that. Let's just get this thing out. So yeah, let's unscrew the GoPro. It comes with this, which basically says to remove. It's basically to protect it, I believe, during like shipping and stuff like that, from what I've seen before. So yeah, that can basically just be binned. You don't need to hang around for that. Yeah, and just from this flap at the back, you can just flip that up. You can see, tweeze it, and push it out. And there we go. Come back to the GoPro in a second, but what else do you actually get in here? It looks like it's going to be quite a few manuals and bits. Have any questions, basically go online. That is what you do now. You don't really need to worry about all this kind of stuff. Ask our experts, check out user reviews. That's basically what I'd recommend. Or you get some GoPro stickers as well. How exciting. What else do we get? So we get a battery, nice and small, nice and light. They're quite expensive actually to get these batteries, and that's something I'll probably get, like an external battery charger and a second battery, but I believe they're about 20 quid or something. But yeah, there it is. There's the battery which comes with it. Place that here. I'm running out of space quickly. You also get a cable to connect to your computer. Also probably charge off this. There's no actual sort of like 3-pin plug or 2-pin plug or whatever you want to do to actually charge it directly off the mains. But yeah, everyone kind of has something that can go into a normal USB slot, so that's fine. I'm looking at it now. I don't know if that's like USB-C or anything like that, but yeah, there we go. That's the connection that comes with it. You also get some sticky mounts, which I've never really found useful because you can only kind of adhese them once. I never used it on my GoPro Hero 4, and I probably will not use it on this, but let's put that down anyway. And that is literally it. That is all that comes in the box. Completely empty. You've then still got this little stand thing, which looks like it's kind of glued onto the top. I'll probably just leave it because it looks pretty useless, to be honest. Yeah. Have any questions? GoPro stickers, GoPro instruction manual. Job done. So yeah, let's open this up anyway. Now, here's a good example. Here is my case for my 5-year-old GoPro Hero 4. And as you can see, it is missing that top bit. Now they're really, really sturdy, and they do clip on really, really well, just like you get on that, but they will eventually break. These cases are pretty cheap. I've always just kept this as like, just to store the GoPro Hero 4 in. I've never really used it to film in or anything like that. And yeah, that's what eventually will happen to the case. This one, to open it, you just lift it up. It's the exact same technique. It will sound like you're breaking it, which is never ideal when you've just spent a bit of money. There you go, makes a nice worrying click. And you've got the same sort of little case. I have to say, it already feels like a better quality case than the 4. I know it's a big step up being a 7 anyway. But yeah, that's quite cool. And let's prize it out. I mean, to be honest with you, it feels quite nice. To be honest with you, I'll probably more use this as almost like a storage thing. But regardless, I'm sure you can actually use this to connect to other things, to connect to wall mounts, for your car or whatever. So yeah, we'll come back to that. But yeah, it's a nice quality case, which is nice to see. And you can get loads of accessories, and that's what I probably will get, and I will go through some of the accessories I get. I'll probably save up a little bit for them, but yeah, for now, here is the GoPro Hero 8. There you go, look at that. Looks pretty cool. So before I go into too many details, let's pop that down. So why did I get a GoPro Hero 7 Black in May 2020 when the Hero 8's out, when you can get some really cool, like the Sony ones are pretty cool, the little handy cams, or the small action cams. Well, for one thing, price, £220 is a really good deal. I've been keeping an eye on these, and they've sort of just been below 300, sort of £280, and that's normally been from a reseller from GoPro, not direct from GoPro. The Sony XDX ones, I believe, they're sort of retail at around sort of £500. The Hero 8 at the moment is on a decent deal at £280, but it's still 50 quid more. And from the reviews, from what I needed, it sounded like this was all that you would need. So price is a big factor. They're also really robust. My Hero 4 is still lasting today. I will still use it in videos. I'm interested to know what the audio is going to be like on this. I've heard it's improved, so you'll find out. And in fact, I'll probably do a video with this before I release this. So my last video before I release this sort of unboxing one will be of, yeah, me using this. So if you want a 5-second clip of whatever the audio or the picture quality is going to be like in this, check that out, and then check out, well, the start of this video, because that's what I'm using the Hero for, so that's the comparison. So yeah, looking forward to getting stuck into it. Now, even though we're in May 2020, 1080p is essentially the main resolution to use. There's nothing really, yes, it can support 4K, all that kind of stuff, but realistically, I mean, I don't even have a 4K TV, but it's very hard to kind of process that data. It's very hard to save that data just because it takes time, all these kind of things. It takes up a lot of memory, all that stuff. And when most people who watch my YouTube videos watch it on their phone, they watch it in 1080p or less, 720p sometimes. So 1080p is more than enough. It's been out for 10 years or 15 years. It was the new thing. I remember setting up 1080p on my Xbox 360 many years ago, and yeah, even today it is perfect. I mean, how much quality do you want? And I've never had any reviews over the last sort of, well, 450,000 views and 1,000 subscribers or whatever I've had, of people saying to me, oh, the video quality's been really bad. So the GoPro Hero 4 has been perfect on quality, so I didn't really care for really a massive upgrade in what the actual camera is. But yeah, this does seem better regardless as a bonus. The audio's always been bad, so that's something that I want to see if this is better at. If it's not, I'll probably get an external Rode mic, but it kind of adds up on the cost really, so I will see. And for now, I'll kind of keep it as it is. But those are my kind of reasons for getting the Hero Black. And yeah, if you're thinking of getting one, I would say now is a good time to get it. They're at a really good price, they're really robust. If you look after it, it will last you well. And yeah, we're kind of in an age where I think you're better off using what you have and trying to make the most of it, rather than going for the latest and greatest every sort of 6 to 12 months or something. Yeah, so looking forward to using it. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this sort of hopefully useful unboxing video. Yeah, check out some of my videos to see, well, my last video, which will be with this Hero 7 Black, and kind of compare it to this one to see what you think. And all I can say to you is, you know, you just need something small. You don't need something really high tech or expensive to kind of start a YouTube channel, to start sharing your passion or whatever you want to do. And you don't need to go too expensive. You know, I don't earn any money from YouTube. I just do it as kind of like a hobby. I enjoy automotive content. Yeah, so this does well enough for me, and I'll probably take it on holiday and trips and stuff like that, and other random bits. I'll probably even use it as like just an in-car kind of camera, you know, just from a insurance perspective if anything sort of happened to my car, just when I'm on the move. So there's loads of stuff you can do with it. It's so small, so light, easily can fit in your pocket. I'd say it's a little bit heavier than the 4, but not by much. This is minus the battery, mind, so battery doesn't really weigh too much. So yeah, looking forward to using it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Drop any questions if you want to know why I kind of went for this. And yeah, check out GoPro's website, because I think getting it direct from GoPro now is probably a good time, because, you know, ultimately things aren't exactly stable in the world with COVID. So yeah, if there's ever a time to kind of just go in and get something that you've been thinking about getting for a while, I have been looking at this for probably about a year or two. Yeah, do it, and yeah, you won't regret it. £220 in the UK with a memory card. I think that's pretty good going for something that could well last sort of 5 to 10 years. Well, Hero 4 is still working, so no reason why this shouldn't go any longer. And I'm sure it's covered by warranties and bits like that anyway. I'll have to check that out. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Not one of my regular sort of unboxing type videos. Normally it's around VW and fast forwards and yeah, my Golf R. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Drop a comment and I'll be sure to get back to you, really, because yeah, I think it's a really good way to kind of start your kind of YouTube career, and I've really enjoyed using them. Yeah, and a bit of a treat to myself reaching 1,000 subscribers, so thanks so much as well for the support if you're a regular viewer of the channel. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you again next time. Cheers, guys.